The ORION HCCA654NHP Midrange Loudspeakers deliver striking clarity and output that easily cut through road and engine noise in a properly set-up car audio system. Their very high power handling with strong continuous performance lets these speakers play at serious volume for extended periods without obvious strain or harshness. A compact neodymium motor and high-temperature voice coil give the drivers impressive efficiency so they reach high sound levels even with moderate amplifier power. The cone and bullet style center are tuned for a broad mid-range band, so vocals, guitars, and snare hits sound vivid and immediate rather than dull or recessed. Despite their aggressive output, the speakers maintain good detail across low, middle, and upper mid-range frequencies, which makes them suitable for both daily listening and show builds. Thoughtful sizing and mounting dimensions make it relatively straightforward to integrate this pair into doors or custom panels for enthusiasts upgrading from basic factory speakers.